In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search a broadcast list in WhatsApp. If you use WhatsApp broadcasts to send updates, invitations, or announcements, it can quickly become hard to find specific messages or people inside those lists. The good news is, WhatsApp has built-in tools that make it much easier to search within your broadcasts, as long as you know where to look. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen. This is the page where you normally see all your conversations. At the top, you should see the search bar or a small search icon, depending on your device. This search looks through all your chats, including broadcast lists. Before we search, let's quickly confirm where your broadcast lists actually live. On most devices, they are listed along with your regular chats, but they're marked with a small broadcast icon, or labeled as a broadcast list. If you can't see yours right away, scroll through your chats and look for those labels. It helps to rename your lists to something clear, like client updates or family announcements, so they're easy to recognize. Now, to search across all your chats, including broadcasts, tap on the search bar or the search icon at the top of the chat screen. Type a keyword related to what you're looking for. For example, the name of a product, an event, or a phrase you know you used in a broadcast message. As you type, WhatsApp will start to show results grouped by chat. Among those, you should see entries from your broadcast lists. Tap on a broadcast result to jump straight into that specific message within the list. From there, you can scroll up and down to see the context of the conversation. Or tap the search icon again inside that broadcast to refine your search within just that list. This is especially useful if you send frequent broadcasts and want to stay within a single list while you look. If you're trying to find whether a particular contact is part of a broadcast list, open the broadcast, tap on its name at the top, and check the list of recipients. You can quickly scroll or use your device's built-in search for that screen if it's available. That's all you need to efficiently search your WhatsApp broadcast lists and quickly find the messages or people you're looking for.